What if one small decision in Germany could cost you thousands of euros? Most expats only discover this after something has already gone wrong. This looks like a small insurance decision. It isn't. Navigating the German financial system is different. It's complex, bureaucratic, and often misunderstood by even the most experienced professionals. At German Sherpa, we've been the guide for international professionals since 2015. We help you understand the rules. We help you structure your finances with absolute clarity, avoiding the pitfalls that many others fall into. Take the example of an engineer on a blue card. You're building a career and wealth here in Germany. But are you truly optimized for the German tax and social system? Most are not, and it costs them. The most common mistake is choosing the cheapest price over the right coverage. That short-term saving can be a disaster. Here's your action plan. Start by auditing your current social contributions and your specific tax benefits. Ensure your insurance strategy actually fits your life here. Remember, knowledge is your best financial asset. If you'd like us to take a look at your individual situation, book a personal one-to-one strategy meeting with us. Together, we'll create a secure financial future for you and your family in Germany. German Sherpa, your trusted guide.